Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and all of mercy and blessing. Your honorable to all of the judge. Before I begin to give a speech, I would like to invite you to thanks to Allah that Almighty, who has given us mercy and blessing. And also don't forget to deliver salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the brightness. Let me introduce myself. My name is Galuh Hapsari Putri Dina Pramesti from Diploma 3 Pekalongan Nursing Study Program. In pandemic era like today, many activities are limited. We cannot carry out their routine as usual. This makes many Indonesian youth unable to make innovation based on their local wisdom. As youth, of course, we can take advantage of the all existing limitation with the local wisdom in this pandemic era as place to work. But in fact, today youth are not interested in the local wisdom that Indonesia has, so that many innovations are not in accordance with the value of Indonesia culture. It is very sad when the value of the local wisdom are slowly being replaced by the Western culture. We don't want to let the thing that happens, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I stand here to tell all of you about the role of the youth in this pandemic era as a pioneer of local wisdom. Why do I say that? Because the role of youth is very influential in this state. Without the innovation made by the youth, it will certainly displace the value of the local wisdom in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, because of that, make the youth as a pioneer of the local wisdom in innovation. Now, I will tell you all about the effort youth must make to foster enthusiasm and work in the pandemic era. First, youth use social media as forum to work in accordance with the local wisdom. In this digital era, everyone required to have at least one social media. This is of course very useful for making innovation for youth with the current sophistication of technology so that youth can make their innovation using technology and local wisdom. In addition, the advancement of social media development has made youth feel enthusiastic to work. By adding local wisdom, it has indirectly made Indonesia culture known internationally. Second, youth as role model of local wisdom in everyday life. Being a young youth who has upheld the value of the local wisdom is a matter of pride. Not many youth still uphold this value. The local wisdom value possessed by the youth will motivate the community to be able to apply the value. Youth are also responsible to sustainability of Indonesia existing tradition. Third, youth as a control from outside culture accommodation. The role of the youth is very large in the maintaining the culture that Indonesia has. Youth will choose and adapt a culture that fit with the native culture of the community. In other words, youth can adopt and can accept various development and change that exist. In addition, the community will be guided by the youth to help the choose a culture that in good and in accordance with the Indonesia culture value. So, ladies and gentlemen, considering the huge role of youth in maintaining and preserving Indonesia culture, according to local wisdom, it is appropriate that we can give appreciation to youth who has made a real contribution to state. Because without the enthusiasm of youth, Indonesia's state did not progress and develop. I think that's all my speech. I hope my brief speech will be useful for us. And also, I would like to say sorry for all my mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.